All right, everybody, big day for me today because the T-bucket paint work is done. I can finally tear down the rest of my makeshift paint booth. I've already started on that. But here is what we came up with. I'm super pleased with how this came out. I mean, there's a few things I would probably do different if I did this again, but overall, I really cannot be happier with how this came out. I'm super excited. I cannot wait to see this thing on the car. Can't wait to get the windshield frame on it. I still gotta finish the inside, but hopefully this body will be sitting back on the chassis by the end of the week. So, how we get here? The process overall was about the same. It changed a little bit. We started with our iron oxide rusty base coat, and then applied gloss Patriot blue, to which we add matte white Hanley, and then I went to town with mostly 320 grit sandpaper. I used a little bit of 400 here and there to, you know, areas I was trying to get a little bit more, be a little bit more careful with. And that's how I came up with the overall look. And then I went back over it with a matte clear coat. Unfortunately, I was so excited about everything that I already cleaned up and threw the cans away, so I can't show you the cans. But overall, I'm really pleased. One thing I probably would have done differently is I talked about taking some black and fogging over the rusty base coat, and that would give me another layer of depth when I sanded through. That I probably should have taken the time to do. I was so overzealous in getting the blue down that I didn't take the time to do that. Wish I had. I still go back and forth on whether it would look nicer to have a lighter color kind of around the edges, kind of what I originally planned with that lighter shade of blue. When I first sprayed it on the junk car for my test piece, I didn't really care for how it came out, but the more I look at it, the more I kind of do like it, and wish I'd kind of stuck with that, but it wasn't necessary. So yeah, I hope this helps you with your own project. Hope it helps you make a decision on which way you want to go with your own designs. And yeah, like and subscribe. See this thing finished, put together on the car, on the ground, outside, running and driving. Next step is to get our windshield frame installed, which is almost done, and I'll have that in a different video probably. And then we'll have this thing together. So yeah, thanks for watching.